Hey friends, today I'm going to share something that could truly transform your life: dates. Why should you eat dates every day? Let's dive in and discover the incredible health benefits of this little miracle from nature. Dates have been a beloved energy source for centuries. Ancient civilizations didn't just see them as a fruit, but as a source of health and endurance. And now it's time to explore the science-backed reasons why dates deserve a spot in your daily routine. Dates are packed with natural sugars, fiber, potassium, magnesium, and B vitamins. They boost your energy, support digestion, and help maintain heart health. If whether you're dealing with a busy day or just need a pick-me-up, dates have your back. Feeling tired? Grab a date. Struggling to concentrate? Dates are a natural energy source that supports brain function. Whether it's before a workout or right before a big meeting, a couple of dates can help sharpen your focus and keep you going. Dates are your digestive system's best friend. Their high fiber content helps regulate your gut, prevent constipation, and promote overall digestion. Start your morning with 1 or 2 dates on an empty stomach, and you'll feel the difference throughout the day. And let's not forget about heart health. Dates are rich in potassium, which helps regulate blood pressure, and their antioxidants work to protect your heart. Plus, their natural sugars curb those sweet cravings without causing drastic spikes in blood sugar. Incorporating dates into your daily routine is super easy. Toss them into your morning smoothies, enjoy them as a quick snack, or use date puree as a natural sweetener in your desserts. It's simple, delicious, and incredibly healthy. Remember, a healthy lifestyle starts with small, simple habits. By eating a few dates every day, you're giving your body and mind the energy they need to thrive. Now it's your turn. Comment below. Are you ready to add dates to your daily routine? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more inspiring content like this. I'm here to help you live a healthier, happier life. Thanks for watching, and take care.